Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Elena Shvab and I'm a head designer. Today is Saturday and I'm still in my studio working on the projects and decided to go live and show you what I'm working on today and for the past few days. So as you can see, I'm at my working table and I'm in the process of making a flower trimmed with beautiful silver metallic foil. And I'm going to shape the flowers and stitch them together. So I'm going to create a beautiful flower for a hat for a custom order. And here is the hat. It's called Josephine. In my collection, it's made of beautiful blue color and baby pink, and this one is custom made. The customer wanted it off-white with this beautiful fuchsia color, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to finish it and see the final result. So I'm gonna create a flower and I'm gonna trim and decorate the flower. And also I think it would be really beautiful to add a little bit of silver netting, just a little bit as a decoration touch, because it looks very beautiful with silver metallic foil that I created on the flower using my metallic foil in millinery technique, a workshop that I'm teaching online. And if you wish to learn how to use metallic foil, you're welcome to book a workshop. It's one-on-one private tuition. Just contact me if you're interested. And so this is the hat I'm working on at the moment, and I'm pretty much excited to see the final result. And of course I'm going to share with all of you on Instagram and my stories, and I'm going to show the process of making a little video. And also I am making hat tutorials for HaTalk magazine, which one of my hat tutorials was already published this month. It's about how to make a beautiful bespoke pom-pom using different textiles, which can help you to create your unique decorations, your unique designs, just by learning the technique how to bond different fabrics and materials in order to create something absolutely unique that will look absolutely beautiful on your hats. So if you go on the website HaTalk magazine, you would be able to find one of my tutorials. Also, for all my followers, I would be happy to offer 20% discount for subscription for this amazing magazine. Just enter code Elena, ELENA, at the checkout, and you can get 20% discount. And I'm going to show you one of the next hat tutorial that I'm preparing for HaTalk magazine. So just a second. Then one of the next tutorials will be about the veils, small techniques how to use different types of veils to decorate your hats. This one is decorated around the hat. Let me put this on so you can see. It's very easy to make, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And then I also decorated it with the bow. It's a straw that I covered with metallic foil, and then I steamed it and shaped into a flower. Also very easy to make, but looks absolutely stunning. So this is one of the techniques, how to wrap the veil around the hat. And another one is this fabulous fascinator hat. So it's also very easy to make. Just put together the veiling. So this is a double folded veil, which doesn't come too far, but it's just a beautiful touch of veil that doesn't bother the face, but it still gives a little bit of volume and I think it looks absolutely beautiful as well, with a little bit of bias strip that you can curve easily, and a little bit of flowers. So that's one of the hats, one of the veil techniques. And another one, this veil technique is perfect for when you have leftovers, when you're working on the hat using a veil and you have little pieces of veils that usually it's really hard to imagine what you can use them for because they're too small. So these leftovers are perfect for this type of decorations. It's just a little bit of veiling gathered on one side and then stitched together with a little bit of different trimmings all together. It gives a little bit of volume, also looks absolutely beautiful. So let me put it on. Sorry, there's some ends inside. So yes, something like that. So you can put it on this side or you can put it on the other side, and you're ready to go. So these are some of the hat tutorial that will be out hopefully soon. They're still in the process of making, but at the moment there are other hat tutorials on HaTalk magazine that you can go and learn step by step different techniques, how to create a pom-pom, and also how to make a metallic hatband. And I'm going to show you one of the hats. There it is. It's part of my bridal collection, and I think it's a previous issue of HaTalk magazine. I'm showing step by step how to create this beautiful headband. So it goes like that. Also, this is the technique of how to wrap the veil around the hat that I'm working on right now for the HaTalk magazine. And this is the pom-pom that I created, and the tutorial is out now, so you can learn how to make these beautiful decorations. So you can see that it's I hope you see beautiful silver netting. So it looks very delicate, and the best thing is that it's absolutely unique. No one has decorations like that, and this can define your collections, your style of hat making. So here it is. It looks like that. I absolutely love it. And well, I have a lot of work to do because I want to finish this hat until tomorrow, so I can finally send it to my client who can't wait to receive the hat. And I'm gonna show and share with all of you how it turned out at the end. So hopefully you like it, and I would love to hear your comments and thoughts about this. I'm wishing you a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon live. Bye.